Titanic and the girls party, taking it nice and easy.
Stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
And right now, here we go with Tim Chris.
Get 'em, let's get 'em. Hey, I own the night and I don't need no help. Gotta be the feeling that Scarface feel. Starting going wild, can't handle this pill. Back for the club, arrogant like yeah. Top like money, so the girls just mail. One too many, y'all know me like 12. Look like cash and they all just there. Bottles, models, selling no shares. Fall out, cause that's the business. All out is so ridiculous. Zone out, so much attention. Scream out, I'm in the building and they're watching, I know this.
And coming in last, we are looking at Tim Acacia taking the mighty Mancha wave.
To make them stop and stare as I zone out. The club can't even handle me right now. Watching you, watching me, I go all out. The club can't even handle me right now. The club can't even handle me right now.
I'm like out of control. Can't stop now, more shots, let's go. 10 more rounds till I get a KO. Paparazzi tryna make me pose. Came to party till I can't no more. Celebrate cause that's all I know. Tip the groupies taking off their clothes. Grand finale like Super Bowl. Go hard, I run the show. That's right, while I've got money to blow. More lights, more ice when I walk in the door. No hype, do it big all over the globe. Yeah, I said it, don't tell it. Confetti, who ready? I'm ready, you ready? Let's get it. No, I know.
Okay, folks, after that beautiful awesome action from Tim Akesh. Right now we're looking at the big one of the day, rapid number 9. We call this one the commercial suicide and runnable, not good for the business. This one, gang, I will walk around it. After the short walk, walking around rapid number 9, this is it, guys. Rapid number 13. We call it the mother. She's big like all the mothers, and she is kicking. Young on tight and enjoy.
오빤 강남 스타일, 강남 스타일. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자, 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자, 그런 반전 있는 여자. 너는 선호해, 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해. 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해. 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해. 그런 선호해. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일
Hey, sexy lady.
오빤 강남스타일
Hey, sexy lady.
Alright, finally gang, this is it, our final major rapid of the day, rapid number 18. We call it Oblivion. Oblivion is the third wave to what about